guys, my name's Jet and this is my sister Beth. Today we're going to be revealing a new toy, Black Panther.
There we go. Why did it say my son's name? Whoa, look at this. I think I just saw it from your business. Oh, wow! I just need to find a way to get it out. Why is it my son's name? That's my son's name.
I need to find a way to get it out though.
What's attention?
There's something.
And then the scissors, they cut it out.
Mommy! Mommy!
Huh?
What are these? Oh, I can't take it out.
Go. Yummy! Why did they say my son's name?
Look at my top. I won't be needing this anymore. I need this one. What's this? They got a little button here. How do I put this on? You broke it.
And then we make some pasta, Mom. And then we make some pasta. And four. Don't say that, sit down.
What is that?
Alien.
We're not talking about you. We're talking about this. I'm going to delete. Okay, goodbye.